You keep asking me how to get access to more scholarship. Japan is undergoing a major workforce shortage, and this means more opportunities for students who know Japanese language, who understand the culture, and who have lived in Japan, studied in Japan. What if I told you that one decision after your 10th grade can completely change your career, your personality, and the global opportunities for you? In India, school prepares you for exams. In Japan, school prepares you for life. I'm Dipti Singh, and we are the official partners of Japanese universities based in India. Recently, I had the opportunity to visit a Japanese high school personally and understand their system, interact with students, and see how education exactly works on the ground. And in this video, I am going to explain why Japanese high schools can truly transform your future, especially if you're an Indian student who is planning ahead. In Japan, school is not just about academics. Students are trained in discipline, they are made to be responsible, they are trained on being independent. For example, students clean their own classrooms every day. There is no concept of support staff for basic tasks. Now, this may sound small and it might intimidate some students, but it builds a mindset of ownership. And I think personally in India, we can definitely do with more ownership when it comes to cleanliness and discipline, be it punctuality or just keeping our surroundings clean. I think this is one area we definitely need more ownership as a citizen. Another key point, over 85 to 90% of Japanese high school students, they actively participate in clubs. Clubs basically mean extracurricular activities. So be it sports, music, debate, robotics, these clubs are not optional. They are not hobbies, but they are a part of the curriculum. So now, because of which students from an early age, they are more active, they are more creative, and these clubs are actually treated very important. One of the other biggest differences that I observed personally was that in India, the system is largely exam focused. In Japan, the system is development focused. And students are encouraged to speak up, share opinions, write reflections, and also working in teams. That is a major part of their training. And they also focus a lot on practical skills and solving real world problems. I personally saw some classrooms where students were actively discussing, they were presenting and engaging, not just listening passively, where one teacher stands, many students just listen to the teacher. So their method of teaching is way more practical. So be it growing their own vegetables or working in the field to understand crops or cleaning their classrooms. And there is something very important in Japan, that failure is not punished there. It is, in fact, treated as a part of learning. And this approach, I believe that it builds confidence in students, because in the real world, you see, the success is not about memorization. It's about thinking, it's about adapting and communicating. So now let's talk about the most important part, your future and career opportunity. Because at the end of the day, every student and every parent wants to know, is this actually worth it? Let me simplify this for you. So, number one reason why this can actually lead to success: when a student studies in a Japanese high school, you enter a completely different environment early on. You learn how to adapt to a new culture, new problems every day. You learn to communicate confidently with different cultures, different environment. Think beyond textbooks. You're forced to think beyond what you have learned so far. And this makes your profile much more stronger compared to a typical student. Second, Japanese language, which I have already told you is a high value skill. You can watch this previous video, maybe after this video, and understand that Japanese language in itself is a high value skill, and learning it from an early age can give you a very good head start to your career. And if you are studying in a Japanese high school, you will eventually be learning great Japanese skills. Very few equivalent to negligible students have excellent Japanese skills and plus academics, which is why this is a great path for anybody who is choosing to beat the competition and start a journey in a Japanese high school and develop these skills early on. Another great advantage is advantage while applying to Japanese universities. Please understand that it's much easier for you to get into Japanese universities if you are a graduate of a Japanese high school. Of course, that is the case for a couple of reasons. One, the curriculum of Japanese high schools is aligned to Japanese universities. Secondly, many of these Japanese high schools, they also have tie-ups with Japanese university, which means that they might have MOUs in place, and that helps students find a shorter route to these top universities in Japan. So, if you are studying in a Japanese high school, you will understand the academic system better, admission system better. You will be able to adjust faster, and of course, you will have more awareness of the on ground admission system. And this transition from high school to the university will become so much smoother for you. And also, number four reason is your direct access to job market. Please understand your fluency in Japanese language is going to determine the job opportunities later once you graduate from the university. And if you have studied your high school in Japan, you obviously already have an advantage. Japan is undergoing a major workforce shortage, and this means more opportunities for students who know Japanese language, who understand the culture, and who have lived in Japan, studied in Japan. You're already one step ahead of students who are going to start their journey much later in their undergraduate or their postgraduate. Another reason is easier access to scholarships. So you keep asking me how to get access to more scholarships. So this is another major advantage, that you will be able to tap into a lot of scholarships which probably you are not even aware of right now, because you will be in Japan and you will get access to school recommended scholarships and also local and private scholarships. They will be easy for you to find because the teachers there, they can guide you or recommend you. Number six is better career options. With this background, you can explore careers in technology, engineering, business, international relations. It can be in AI, data science, any subject that you want, even in medical. The reason is, if you're looking to pursue, start from either undergraduate or postgraduate degree, the options for you would be to only study in English language. And English taught programs in Japan, they still remain very limited, which is why you are forced to pick subjects from given number of universities, and that limits your options, not just in terms of courses and universities, but overall, career wise, it limits your options too. And if you know Japanese, your career options can be much greater. You can go on in taking your majors in Japanese language as well, not just English taught programs. So here is exactly why I think you should start looking at Japanese high schools, studying in Japanese high schools as your next option, where you can explore different career options, different courses, different universities, and your grasp on Japanese language will be exceptional, and that will be the pathway for you with no competition and great success. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any queries about high schools in Japan or benefits of studying in high schools in Japan, please comment below, and our team is here to help you through with it. Thank you for watching the video.